So our next practice problem is over here. Calculate the hydronium ion concentration of a solution of HNO3 that has a pH of 5. Okay, so they want the hydronium ion concentration. They give us the acid. We recognize it's a strong acid, and then they give us the pH. So now it's a little bit backwards. Before they gave us the hydronium ion concentration, wanted us to find the pH. Now they give us the pH, want us to find the hydronium ion concentration. But we'll just use a little bit of algebra on that. So we've got practice problem 8.3, and they give us a pH of 5. And we know that from our last video and from the previous page in the textbook that the formula for pH is negative log of the hydronium ion concentration. This time they want us to find this. So we can plug 5 in for pH and bring down the rest of the equation. Okay, so what we would need to do first off is to divide both sides by -1. 5 divided by -1 is -5. And then there's an understood 1 here, right? So -1 divided by -1 is just 1. 1 times the log of the hydronium ion concentration is the log of the hydronium ion concentration. In other words, the two -1s cancel out. In other words, you can just move this negative over to the left side of the equation. Now, to get the hydronium ion concentration by itself, we need to take the antilog of -5. And if we take the antilog of the log of the hydronium ion concentration, then it's sort of like they cancel each other out, and all we're left with is the hydronium ion concentration. So basically we're just taking the antilog of -5. So let's go over to the calculator and show you how to do that. Okay, so right here was our log button, and just above that is a 10 raised to the x. So we hit our second key, which is like our shift key, and we're going to hit log, and that gives us that 10 to the x, which is the antilog. And so we put in our pH of, -5, -5, and then we hit enter, and we get 1 times 10 to the -5, because that's what the E means. Okay, so now I'm back here. 1.0 times 10 to the -5 molarity. I put the 1.0 just because a lot of these problems have concentration that has two significant figures, like the example just before this practice problem has it. Okay, well, good luck on this one, and I'll see you in the next video.